Forex trading, a world of promises, profits, and possibilities. But behind the glittering facade lies a dark side few dare to speak about. Hey there! Welcome to Forex Cracked. Today we're diving deep into the lesser-known, darker side of Forex trading. If you've been lured in by flashy ads showing luxury cars, mansions, and easy money, this video is for you. First up, the illusion of easy money. Forex trading is often marketed as a way to get rich quickly. But the reality? Over 70% of retail traders lose money. Why? Because trading isn't just about guessing currency movements. It's a skill that takes years to master. Beginners often fall for the trap of over-leveraging their accounts, chasing losses, and ignoring risk management. Next, let's talk about scams and fake gurus. The Forex industry is riddled with so-called experts selling overpriced courses and signals. They promise the moon, but deliver nothing. Always ask yourself, if they're so successful, why are they making more money selling courses than trading? Forex trading isn't just financially risky, it's emotionally draining. The constant ups and downs can lead to stress, anxiety, and even addiction. It's easy to fall into the trap of overtrading or revenge trading after a loss, turning the experience into a downward spiral. Not all brokers are created equal. Some use dirty tricks like widening spreads, delaying executions, or even trading against their clients to profit from your losses. Always do your research. Look for brokers that are regulated and transparent. Many traders jump into Forex without understanding basic financial concepts. They treat it like gambling, relying on luck instead of strategy. Education is key. Without it, you're just throwing money into the wind. Forex trading isn't inherently bad, but it's not the golden ticket many believe it to be. Success requires time, patience, and discipline. So before you dive in, ask yourself, are you prepared to face the risks? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's shed light on the realities of Forex trading together. See you in the next video.